Good morning, everyone. Welcome again. Today we will start chapter 7. Name of this chapter is Social Influence and Group Processes. Firstly, think about your day-to-day life and the various social interaction you have. In the morning, before going to school, you interact with your family and members. In school, you discuss topics and issues with your teachers and classmates. And after school, you have fun, visit and play with your friends. In each of these instances, you are a part of a group, which not only provides you the needed support and comfort, but also facilitates your growth and development as an individual. Have you ever been away to a place where you were without your family, school, and friends? How did you feel? So, did you feel there was something vital missing in your life? Yes, surely you felt that. And our lives are influenced by the nature of group membership we have. It is therefore important to be a part of a group which would influence us positively and help us in becoming good citizens. In this chapter, we shall try to understand what groups are and how they influence our behavior. So let's start with group. Definition of group, nature and formation of groups. The preceding introduction illustrates the importance of groups in our lives. One question that comes to mind is how are groups, like your family, class, and group with which you play, different from other collection of group people? For example, in this example you can see on screen also, people who have assembled to watch a cricket match. Your school function are, or you can say your school function are at one place, but are not independent on each other. They do not have defined roles, status, expectation from each other. In the case of your family, class, and the group with which you play, you will realize that there is a mutual interdependence. Each member has roles, there are status differentials, and there are expectations from each other. Thus, your family, class, and playgroup are examples of groups and are different from other collection of people. A group may be defined as an organized system of two or more individuals who are interacting and interdependent, who have common motives, have a set of role relationship among its members, and have norms that regulate the behavior of its members. So this is the definition of group. Now here are some features of group. Group have some slight characteristics. We will discuss these features one by one. First is a social unit consisting of two or more individuals who perceive themselves as belonging to the group. This characteristic of a group helps in distinguishing one group from other and gives the group its unique identity. Next one is a collection of people or individuals who have common motives and goals. Group function either working towards a given goal or away from certain threats facing the group. Next one is a collection of individuals who are interdependent. Like what one is doing may have consequences for others. Suppose one of the fielder in a cricket team drops an important catch during a match. This will have consequence for the entire team. Next one is individuals who are trying to satisfy a need through their joint association also influence each other. A gathering of individuals who interact with one another either directly or indirectly. And next feature is a collection of individuals whose interactions are structured by a set of roles and norms. This means that the group members perform the same functions every time, and the group mates and the group members adhere to group norms. Norms tells us how we ought to behave in a group and specify the behavior expected from group members. So these are some features of a group. Next is here, groups can be differentiated from other collection of people. First is crowd. A crowd is also a collection of people who may be present at a place, situation by chance. Like suppose you are going on a road and an accident takes place, soon a large number of people tend to collect. This is an example of a crowd. There is neither any structure nor feeling of belongingness in a crowd. Behavior of people in crowds is irrational. and there is no interdependence among members. Next one is teams. Also, teams are also a collection of people. Teams are special kind of groups. Members of teams often have complementary skills and are committed to a common goals or purpose. Members are mutually accountable for their activities in team. There is a positive energies attained through the coordinated efforts of a member. So that's it for today. Next time we will move further. Thank you.